Morning, students. Today we are going to learn three new words, and those three new words will help us to improve our knowledge, and they will definitely help us to build strong sentences. So, without wasting time, let's get started. We will see the rules first of using much, more, and many. Before we understand the rules, we must understand the meaning of countable and uncountable. Countable means which can be count, जिसे हम count कर सकते हैं, उसे हम countable कहते हैं. And that cannot be counted, we call it uncountable. So जिस चीज को हम काउंट कर सकते हैं उसे हम काउंटेबल कहेंगे, और जिसे हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते we call it uncountable. So now let's see the rules one by one. Much होता है uncountable, जिसे हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते. For example, I love my family very much. उसके बाद आता है more. More can be used in both the ways of uncountable and countable. More को हम countable की तरह भी यूज कर सकते हैं और uncountable की तरह भी यूज कर सकते हैं. For example, I need more water in the glass. ये हो गया uncountable. There are more students outside the class. ये हो गया countable का example. Now, number third word is many. Many is countable. For example, there are so many students waiting in the ground for prayer. So, इस सेंटेंस में हम स्टूडेंट्स को काउंट कर सकते हैं. That is why I have used the word many. So in this case, you can easily understand where do we use much, where do we use more, and where do we use many. The only thing that you need to take care in your mind is the rule. You should know which thing is countable and which thing is not countable. Then you will be able to identify and you will be able to understand where do we need to use or where do we use the words like much, more, and many. So I hope this clarifies all the things. If anyone has any doubt using these words. So now we will see more examples for better understanding. So these are some of the examples of the word much. I am reading all the sentences one by one. First is, as I said earlier also, I love my family very much. Number 2, they have played this game too much. Number 3, don't take too much time. ज़्यादा समय मत लो. Number 4, the boy takes care of his sister so much. ये लड़का अपनी सिस्टर का बहुत ध्यान रखता है. Number 5, this picture looks much better than others. ये पिक्चर दूसरी पिक्चर से अच्छी लग रही है, उनसे भी बेटर लग रही है. So you can read all these sentences by yourselves one by one. Now let's see word number 2, that is more. We will read all the sentences as in examples of more. First is, I need more water. मुझे और पानी चाहिए. Second, She needs more time to complete her work. उसे और समय चाहिए काम पूरा करने के लिए. Now, sentence number 3 is a question sentence. Are there more students in the class? क्या क्लास में और विद्यार्थी हैं? And sentence number 4. Who needs more extra sheets? किसे और extra sheets चाहिए? So, these are some of the examples of the word more. As I said earlier also, you can try to make your own sentences so that you can understand better. Now let's see examples of the word many. First is, I have many friends. If you remember, we have studied many is countable. अगर आप काउंट कर सकते हैं तभी आप इस वर्ड को यूज कर सकते हैं. Can you count your friends? Yes. 1 friend, 2 friends, 3 friends. So, in this case, you can use many. Sentence number 2. There are so many students in the class. इस कक्षा में बहुत सारे विद्यार्थी हैं. Now again, there is a very good to know information. There are so many people who pronounce the word students is students. It is not is students. The first sound comes s. It is not is, it is student. There are so many students in the class. Let's say if you want to say that I am a student of class 6. So say I am a student of class 6. It is not like I am a student of class 6. That is wrong pronunciation. So keep practicing. It is student, not is students. Okay? Now move to the next sentence. That is, how many siblings do you have? तुम्हारे कितने siblings हैं? That is, तुम्हारे कितने भाई बहन हैं? And sibling doesn't include cousins. It has a different category. And number 4 is, how many players are playing in the ground? Ground के अंदर कितने players खेल रहे हैं? Can you count players? 1 player, 2 players, 3 players. Yes, of course. That is why we have used the word many. So always remember, if it is countable, then we can use the word many. As you can studied these examples, so keep practicing and keep trying to build your own sentences for better knowledge and better understanding.